Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music in Canva. Let's get into it. First, open your design. The first step is to pick the project you are working on. You need to be in your work area to add any sounds to your pages. Click on your project from your home screen and wait for it to open. Make sure you are looking at the page where you want the music to start for the task. You must be inside your design so the computer knows where to put the music for your project. Next, find the audio button. You need to find the place where all the songs and sounds are kept. Look at the left side of your screen for a button that says Audio. If you do not see it, click on the Elements button and type Music into the search box. This part of the tool holds thousands of sounds you can use for your design. It keeps all your choices in one easy place. Next, pick your favorite song. Now you can listen to different sounds and choose the one that fits your work the best. Scroll through the list and click the play button to hear a little bit of the music. Once you find a song you like, click on it or drag it onto your page. The song you pick will set the mood for your project. It ensures your video or pictures have the right feeling for your viewers. Next, change the music settings. The final step is to make sure the music starts and stops at the right time and isn't too loud. Look at the bottom of your screen to see the purple bar that shows your music. You can drag the ends of the bar to make the music shorter, or click the volume button to make it quieter. Getting the sound just right makes your work look and hear much better. Now your music is added and your design is ready to share. And that's it. To add music in Canva, open your design, find the audio button, pick a song, and change the settings to fit your project. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.